G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and we're just going to have a quick chat on how do I tell if my water filter needs replacing. So long as the water filter is structurally sound and not leaking, it should be fine to just replace the cartridges inside as required. All water filter cartridges have a service life. The service life is normally a set volume of water that can be treated or a set time frame, like every 12 months. In most cases, cartridges are replaced every 12 months. You might find smaller filters like jugs and shower filters require changing more often as they just won't go the full term. Or if you have extreme water conditions, the filter is blocking or the water flow rate begins to slow, then you might need to look at replacing the cartridge more frequently than every 12 months. But as long as the water's flowing and it's within the time frame and everything's going well, there's no need to change anything. The cartridges will be working as required unless you can find a fault or a taste or something wrong. So everything should be fine. Follow the instructions, change every 12 months. If you're using a massive amount of water, then check the volume or the literage that cartridge can handle and replace it at the required time so you've got ultimate protection at all times. If we can help you in any way, if you've got any questions, etc., just give us a yell. We'd love to have a chat to you. But that's all for today, and thank you very much.